slime. So first ingredient, so the stuff you'll need is glue, contact solution, shaving cream, and food coloring. So let's get started.
Okay.
So first you're gonna add the glue. Just wait for it to come out.
How much do you put?
As much as you need to, really.
Okay.
Like as big as you want it.
Come on. Biggest thing. Okay.
So then get your shaving cream. And you don't want to hold it like this. You want to hold it like this. See what I mean? And then, oops, you just put as much as you did with the glue. It's running out.
Okay.
So then you want to mix it with your mixing tool. And just keep mixing till it looks like this. Now you're gonna add your food coloring. Now, if you would like, because in the end, once it's already thick and stuff, it'll be hard to mix it already. So I'm just gonna add it now, and I'm gonna be using green. Just gotta get it out.
Okay. Is it enough? 3?
Yeah, just 3 drops. And then mix. Perfect. Now you're gonna want to use your contact solution. Just gotta open
Is
it.
any kind of contact solution is fine?
Yeah, like eye contact solution is the best. Like, so then you're just gonna put like hold it for like 5 seconds and put it in. Now you'll see it's gonna get it's gonna start getting like sticking to the spoon, and then you'll see that's the activator basically. So it'll see how well it's working. Just want to keep mixing and mixing. And that's how you can use your hands. I just wouldn't get my hands messy yet. See it? See how it's getting springy, sort of?
That
Once it
looks
starts going
fine.
like that, then you can start using your hands. And it's okay if it sticks, just a little. So just keep playing with it.
Okay.
And then you can add more if it's sticking like really badly. Well, like right now, it's fine. Because you don't want to have too much, or else it'll get it all wet and it'll look soapy.
What do you do with the left? Do you pick those up too? Okay.
Yeah, just don't want it to be a waste.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna add a bit more.
Okay. That looks fun.
Yeah, it looks a bit weird. But it's gonna get better as you move on.
You think you roll it?
And then you're just gonna keep doing that.
That looks fun.
I know it looks really weird right now, but this is the beginning of something beautiful.
Durdurayım mı?